What do the wealthy know? 5 steps to get you there. Did you know the habits you practice daily might be the reason you're stuck while others thrive? The rich and poor don't just differ in bank account numbers, they live by completely different rules. Let's uncover the 5 transformative steps wealthy people take that others often ignore. Working harder doesn't always get you ahead. Wealthy people prioritize efficiency and impact over effort. They use systems, automation, and strategic thinking to multiply their results. Ask yourself, are you busy staying busy or making real progress? Shift your mindset to work smarter, not harder. Poor individuals often focus on small, repetitive tasks without questioning their long-term value. The rich, on the other hand, place value on high-leverage activities. Whether it's networking, learning, or starting scalable side businesses, their time is an investment in growth, not just survival. Rich individuals don't rely on titles or academics alone. They invest in refining skills that produce income. They constantly learn high-value, relevant talents like negotiation, coding, or content creation. Why? Because skills can't be outsourced. They're your ultimate currency in a competitive world. On the flip side, poor habits often lean toward credentials over practicality. Wealthy individuals ask themselves, what problems can I solve better than others? Skills like financial literacy, adaptability, and communication not only improve their earning potential, but also future-proof their success. The wealthy know how to turn problems into opportunities. Where others see barriers, they see solutions waiting to be monetized. Creativity isn't just art, it's a survival tool. Take Elon Musk or Oprah Winfrey, for example. They've built massive wealth on gutsy, unconventional thinking. By embracing discomfort and innovating, rich individuals train themselves to find breakthrough ideas. Meanwhile, the poor often fear risks and stick to the status quo. Remember, the wealthiest build bridges where others see walls. You can too. Start with questions like, how can I make this better? Your network is your greatest asset. Wealthy people build meaningful connections with growth-driven, inspiring individuals. They don't just spend time with anyone, they carefully choose the people in their circle. Because the truth is, your environment directly impacts your mindset and opportunities. If you're socializing without purpose, you're missing out. Build relationships with those who challenge and uplift you. Join communities, attend seminars, or even reach out to mentors. Surround yourself with ambition, and wealth will naturally follow. The wealthy avoid draining income on unnecessary expenses. They don't fall for shiny cars, trendy gadgets, or endless upgrades. Instead, they channel their money into appreciating assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses that grow over time. Poor habits often prioritize consumption over growth. Don't waste income trying to impress others or filling temporary wants. Start small, but start smart. Even a humble savings account invested wisely could set you on the path to financial freedom. It's not about how much money you make, it's about how you use it. The biggest difference? The wealthy see life as a marathon, not a sprint. They make decisions with 5, 10, and 20 years in mind, while the poor often focus only on immediate gains or short-term pleasures. Adopt a wealth-building mindset by asking yourself, how will this choice serve me a decade from now? You now hold the keys to transform your mindset and habits. Don't let this be just another piece of advice. Take action now. Start by redefining one daily habit, building a useful skill, or surrounding yourself with ambitious people. The path to wealth doesn't start tomorrow. It starts today. Take the first step now. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.